Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make your character yell, scream, cry and whisper on ElevenLabs. For that, first of all you need to launch your web browser in your PC, and in the search bar you will have to type elevenlabs.io. After that you need to provide your email address and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to come to this dialog box, and over here, in order to make your character yell, you will have to first write this bracket, and in this bracket you will have to type yell. After that you just have to write the statement. So let's say I want to write this is my statement: how dare you to read my email without asking me. So you just have to press the generate button in the bottom.
Yell, how dare you to read my email without asking me.
And as you can see over here that it is sounding like it is yelling. Now if you want to make it scream, then you will have to write scream in this bracket, and then you can change your statement, or you can click on the generate button.
Scream, how dare you to read my email without asking me.
So basically it has only one drawback, that is it also speak scream, yell or whisper, basically the word in this bracket, but after that the statement will be in that particular tone. So you can remove that part while editing your audio. So if you want to make it cry, then you will have to type cry into it, and then you just have to change your statement, and you will have to write, let's say this is my statement. So I'll simply click on generate button.
Please let me go, please.
And as you can see over here that it is sounding very perfect. You can even adjust the voice settings. For that you can click on voice settings, and you can increase or decrease the stability. You can even adjust the clarity until you get your desirable results. Now let's say you want to make it whisper, so you will have to type whisper, and then you will have to give it a whispering statement. So let's say I want to write, did you see that girl in the college, James? She has blue eyes. Now if I press the generate button,
whisper, did you see that girl in the college, James? She has blue eyes.
so as you can see over here that it is sounding like she is whispering. You can even try this by changing your character, and you can select that particular character that is saying these sentences in good tone. If you want to download your generated audio, then you will have to press the download button in the bottom, and that particular audio will be start downloading in your device. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.